These are the important MCQs from the chapter Structural Organization in Animals. 1. Which type of white blood cells are concerned with the release of histamine and the natural anticoagulant heparin? Option A is eosinophils, B monocytes, C neutrophils, D basophils. Answer is option D basophil. 2. The body cells in cockroach discharge their nitrogenous waste in the hemolymph mainly in the form of option A urea, B calcium carbonate, C ammonia, D potassium urate. Option D potassium urate. 3. Smooth muscles are option A involuntary fusiform non-striated, voluntary multinucleate cylindrical, involuntary cylindrical striated, voluntary spindle-shaped uninucleate. Answer option A involuntary fusiform non-striated. 4. The kind of epithelium which forms the inner walls of blood vessels is A. Cuboidal epithelium, B. Columnar, C. Ciliated columnar, D. Squamous epithelium. Option D. Squamous epithelium. 5. The cell junctions called tight adhering and gap junctions are found in option A. Connective tissue, B. Epithelial tissue, C. Neural tissue, D. Muscular tissue. Answer option A. Epithelial tissue. Last question is, the most active phagocytic white blood cells are A. Eosinophils and lymphocytes, B. Neutrophils and monocytes, C. Neutrophils and eosinophils, D. Lymphocytes and macrophages. Answer is option B. Neutrophils and monocytes.